Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how we can do the screen record from the MS PowerPoint 2016. So let's get started. So let's open our dialog box and write the PowerPoint shortcut keys. And then we can go to the new page. And once you go to the new page, you go to the insert tab. And from here you go to the extreme right corner and select the screen recording. Once you select that, the apps will show you how you can highlight or select your screen. So this is what I select. Once you select, you can start the recording. So press the button here, or you can press the key plus shift plus R. That will start the record. So now you can see is showing you the countdown time to start the recording. So the recording is now happening. So I can show you some of the few things like I have here some wallpaper that I've done, and these are my wallpaper which I like. Can show you something here so that we can see how the recording take place. And this is one of my wallpaper which I like to keep. So now the recording, as the recording is going on, that see, just to show you. Once you finish, you can press that shift Windows key plus Q to stop the recording. Once you finish the recording, now you can see the video has been kept here. You can also do some editing before you actually save this. So you can go to the shape here. You can use some of these tools, auto shape and all that. Also, you can do some border. So you can put some borders also here, some weight to increase the weight and all that. So you can see the black border increasing. If I put this one, is a very big one. Also, you can put some effects, video effects, and then some presentations here, some the looks changes. See, you can see that. You can also use some reflect blues or shadow if you like it. So you can do that. Also, you can do some glowing border. See that you can see border is changing. Or you can also change the frame and all the format of the looks of the video here. As you can see, as I hover my mouse, you can see the shape of the video changes. So you can use some of these tools. It's a very unique and very classic looks they give you. Microsoft has done a wonderful thing, so thanks to the Microsoft. So that you can see, let's put this as of now, or you may want to see like this way. So now you have the, once you finish that, you can also save your video. So to save the video, you have to right click in the video. You can use some style, trim, start, but our main focus is to save now. So you can save. The drawbacks of this one is like there is only one option, save as media. There is no MP4 or MPEG or something like that, but then there is only a media file. So let's save that. So we'll save on the desktop, and we call this one as a this file. Okay, so save it. Once you save, it's up to you whether you want to save the presentation and all, but we have saved the video. So for me, as of now, I don't want to save the this presentation, so I've closed, don't save it. So now let's see our video is here. So let's play that. We play with the VLC. So as you can see, our video has been playing, and whatever I've done, it has been recorded. So it's a fantastic tools that you can use for your project and for your presentations, whatever you want to record. It's a free tools. It comes with the Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 package. So once you have that, you can do the screen record without any other software. So guys, I hope this video has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you. See you in the next video.